for calling CBE Group. All calls may be monitored or recorded. Para español, marque el 9. If you are calling about an individual tax return, press 1. If you are calling about a business tax return, press 2. Otherwise, please. Hello, my name is Vicki Moore. This call may be monitored or recorded. Thank you for calling the CBE Group. Would you have a CS number?
A what? I have a tax authentication number. Is that what you want?
Okay, yep, I can take the first 5 digits of that number, please.
The first 5 is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4.
Thank you. And may I have the name on the letter?
Is Robert Trudell.
All right, thank you. I do apologize. I was able to locate the account. I would just complete the verification process, and then I can freely discuss the account with you.
Okay.
And you are Robert?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And the CBE Group, sir, we are a contractor for the IRS, and they have assigned an account to our office for collection.
Uh-huh.
And the taxpayer authentication number you provided, that was created for the privacy of your social as part of the verification process here. So please safeguard that number.
All right.
And for your security, sir, the last 5 digits of that number are 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm sorry. The last 5 digits are, okay, 4, no, it is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry about that. The 2s were starting to look the same. All right. And to confirm I have the correct person, could I please have you state your full name, and including your middle initial and the joint filer's name?
It's Robert E. Trudell, and the joint account name is Robert E. and Robert E. Trudell.
All right, thank you. And could you please state your mailing address?
At 945 North Jefferson Avenue, Ajo, Arizona, 85321.
Thank you. And could you please state the primary taxpayer's date of birth?
Is the January 1904.
All right. Well, thank you for verification. Again, my name is Vicki Moore, and my ID number for your reference, that is 181250.
181250.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm with the CBE Group on behalf of the Internal Revenue Service regarding the outstanding tax debt. This is an attempt to collect the debt by a debt collector. Any information obtained would be used for that purpose. And if we needed to follow up with you after this call, would it be okay if we call it back?
I'd prefer you didn't.
Okay. If you should need to give us a call back in the future, you can reach us at 1-800-213-6305.
All right.
Okay. All right, and lastly, it sounds like you did receive a letter informing you of Publication 1, which talks about your rights as a taxpayer. Is that correct?
Maybe. I'd call the IRS. I don't. From the IRS, you mean? Or from you?
Yeah, it should mention. Nope. In the letter from the IRS or the CBE Group, it should mention Publication 1. All it states is that you can view that information at irs.gov on your rights as a taxpayer if you would like. Okay. And in addition, sir,
Okay.
the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act does protect you.
I've just seen if I still had that. Okay.
I'm sorry?
Okay, I said I was just seeing. I think that might be in a different page or something. I was looking for it.
Yeah.
I thought I said seen something.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway. Okay.
Okay. And last, are you or the joint filer receiving supplemental security income or Social Security disability benefits?
I'm on disability since 2013 from General Motors, but I didn't qualify for Social Security income, but I'm not really allowed to work.
Oh. Okay, gotcha. So you're not receiving benefits through the Social Security Administration?
No.
Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
receiving a
Now,
supplemental
going
amount to compensate for what I'm not getting from them.
Okay, gotcha. We just have to confirm if you're receiving benefits through
No.
the Social Security Administration. Okay.
I had
Showing
yeah.
that they
Okay,
placed
go
the
ahead.
check.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm sorry?
So go ahead.
Oh, okay. I'm showing that they placed the tax liability in our office just for the year of 2019.
Uh-huh.
They're indicating a total balance as of today of $9,951.38.
Uh-huh.
And I do have to ask, are you in a position to pay that balance in full to the IRS?
I have no intention of paying that. They've been like forcing me to pay that out of my returns because I had called and talked to them before and disputed both my knowledge and of the I think it was for like a withdrawal of the retirement account from my wife, and they said I could just say that that's not my debt. We live at two different addresses, and she had took her retirement income early, and that's what the debt was from. I talked to them back in, I don't know, maybe 2020 or 2019 or whenever that came up.
Okay. So what we will do is return this account back to the IRS,
Uh-huh.
and you can follow up with them regarding this.
Yeah. Like I said, she said she said she had it rolled over, is what she told me. I think she filed the taxes that year, and like I said, I had no knowledge of her receiving that amount, and I would think that I would have to be notified of her taking it out. And then the other thing is, if she did take it out, I don't know if I would be like I was told when I retired, if I took my retirement out early, that I wouldn't be subject to those fines that they're giving her. So I don't, like I said, I don't know if she had it taken out in my name somehow, if we would not have incurred that penalty.
Certainly. Well, since you're indicating that you have no intentions of paying this, we'll return it back to the IRS.
Uh-huh.
And I would suggest you follow up with a tax professional regarding what she was.
Right, but I gave her that information.
Right.
She told me she called the IRS, and like I said, now she just is not working now either. So
All right.
I think she.
Did you have any other questions regarding the account?
No. Other than I just wanted
right. Well,
to
we'll
just to say that I dispute my my the debt. It should be on me, right?
Don't
okay.
worry.
And like I said, I had talked to them already.
It'll be returned back to the IRS.
All right.
Yep, it'll be returned back to the IRS. All right.
Thank you.
So if you don't have any other questions,
Okay.
you're welcome. Would
Okay.
you have time for a customer service survey?
I don't like those.
All right. Well, thank you, and you have a good day.
Thank you.
At this time, no representatives are available to take your call.